In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending products to sell on Etsy. First, head over to your Etsy marketplace dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. This is your main starting point, where you can browse the entire marketplace. It's helpful to think of this as your research home base, because everything we're going to do builds from what you see here. Once you're on the home page, look for the navigation bar where Etsy groups different types of products. You'll see an option called categories. Go ahead and click on that. Categories are really important because they let you narrow your research and focus on specific types of products instead of scrolling through everything on the site. After you open the categories menu, choose a category you're interested in selling in. This might be jewelry, home decor, clothing, or anything else that fits your niche or skills. Pick the one that best matches what you create or want to create. Choosing a focused category helps you see what's trending in the exact space you care about, rather than getting overwhelmed by the whole marketplace. Once you're inside your chosen category page, look for an option that says All Filters. This is usually near the top of the results. Click on All Filters to open up more detailed options. Filters are powerful because they let you control what types of listings you're seeing, so you're not just looking at random items, but at products that meet specific criteria. Inside the Filters panel, scroll until you see a section titled Etsy's Best. Under this section, select Etsy's Pick. This option highlights items that Etsy itself has chosen or curated. These are often high-quality listings that are performing well, so they're a strong signal of what's working in that category. Next, in the same filters area, click on Star Seller. This filter focuses your results on shops that consistently deliver great customer service, fast shipping, and positive reviews. Combining Etsy's Pick with Star Seller helps you see not just trendy products, but also products sold by proven, reliable sellers. After selecting those two options, click on Apply to update your search results. Etsy will refresh the page and show you listings that match those filters within your chosen category. Now, the products you see are effectively the trending and best-selling items in that category. Use these results to study what designs, price ranges, photos, and descriptions are working well. This is your roadmap for understanding what buyers